Hello everybody. So I just got back from my library. Yes, you guys know me. I love my library. So this summer they had a summer reading program and I'm like, I'm gonna participate because number one, they had a little free library and it cost 40. So my library, they had what they call dragon dollars. So every book that every 2 books that I read, I got 2 dragon dollars. For adult books, I think every 5 that the kids read, they got 1 dragon dollar. So I was determined to get a little free library. I've been wanting one for over a year. I had the plaque, so I had it. I just needed one, and they're like, yeah, it's 40 dragon dollars, and I'm like, well, you know what? I want it. I'm gonna get it. So I started reading. I read like crazy, but I ended up getting my little free library. If you guys won't focus, but this was my little free library, so we got it installed. I got it filled with books. My neighbors already took advantage of it. They put stuff in, so I'm gonna kind of make it a little thing where I put stuff in it and rotate stuff. Like, I'm not gonna, like, some of those just sit there and rot. I see people go to them and like they don't get taken care of. I plan on taking care of mine, you know, rotating stuff, and I'm super excited to make it a fun one. And then I'm gonna make TikTok videos. I already have a couple of them of me stocking it, but yeah. So today we are going on vacation in a day or so, and the last day of the library program is while we are on vacation. So I'm like, kids, we have to redeem all of our dragon dollars. So we go to redeem them. We had 48 dragon dollars. So all together, I think we had more, but we had 93 dragon dollars. 93 dragon dollars. And so when you first start, there's a lot of stuff in there that you want to get, but then there's not that much to choose from as you get to the end, which is fine with me. So I was determined to get the little free library, and I did. But now I have a whole entire bag full of stuff that we got. If my kids don't want to read it, that is fine. I plan on putting them in the library. So let's just dig in and let's go. So I only got 1 adult book. They didn't have like a lot of good ones to choose from, but I got the Book of Witching. And this one looks kind of interesting. I might give it a try. It is a book of the month book, which I'm kind of excited for. But I got this for the adults, and I'm like, it looks pretty interesting. So I might give it a try. Otherwise, if not, I'm going to definitely put it in the little free library. So that's what I got for the adults. And then I had my kids grab a bunch of stuff. So I ended up getting this one. This was 10 dragon dollars. I didn't realize it was 10, and I'm like, well, let's just grab it. So this is called Little Elliot Big City. I thought this one looks really cute. I'm gonna read this to Charlotte. It is like a picture book, yeah. And then what I'm gonna do is put this in the little free library. So I got that for 10. The adult book was 2 dragon dollars. We got this one. This one was $2. Ben chose this one because he loves Finding Dory. So this one is just like a regular little story. So we got that. He chose that one. We ended up getting some Spiders and Deadly Animals. I thought this is a cute little book to have. So this was 1 dragon dollar. We ended up getting Kung Pao Chicken Bok Bok Boom. I just grabbed any book that they had. But yes, this is a colored, I don't even know if you'd call this a graphic novel. Not really, but 1 dragon dollar. And then I ended up getting Star Wars Workbooks Preschool Number Fun. I just grabbed it. I thought, sure, why not? It's just got like some activities and stuff for kids to do. So I thought that'd be a great book to have in there. And that was 1 dragon dollar. I still got more, you guys. I still got more. Then I ended up getting this book. I got The Game Master Summer School. I thought this would be a cute little book to put in here, so I got that for the little free library because I don't want to just put little kid books in. I want to have middle-aged kids because there are little middle-aged kids. I got Henry and Ava and the Famous People Ghost. I thought this looks kind of cool. I liked it. It looked really cool. So got that for the older kids. And then I got this one. I got The Day Fell into a Fairy Tale. So that looked really cool. So I thought, got that one. That one was $1. The other 2 were 2 dragon dollars. And then I got Out of Patience. I just grabbed whatever I could. They didn't have very much to choose from. For that, for $1. And then Ben picked up this one, which I'm excited. It's Norwal Unicorn of the Sea. So I'm gonna read this one to Ben, but yeah, this was $1 dragon dollar. And I think that was it for the dragon sales. And then my kids got some other little toys here and there. So that was all we got. Husband grabbed some Golf Digest because he's apparently going to take up golf, and then Southern Living, so I think he's going to read this while we're on the plane. So he got those. Those were in the free bin. And then I ended up getting some books. Now, I always get stuff at my book sale, but I really wanted to, my one friend that works at the library, she's like, so, there's some books downstairs that are for sale if you're interested. And I'm like, ooh, okay. So I ended up getting this pile of books for $2, you guys, $2. The author is Melanie Harlow, and I've heard of her many times. So I got Some Sort of Crazy, Some Sort of Love, and Some Sort of Happy. So I got 3 books for $2. Like, you can't go wrong. And like I said, if I don't like these, I will put them in the Little Free Library. And then she had a little bit more. There's 5 of these by Melanie Harlow, and I got these for $3. So 5 books for $3. Irresistible, Undeniable, Insustainable, Unbreakable, and Unforgettable. So yes, and I love the feel of this book. I love it. And these books are like in good condition. So I got those. And then I also got Laura Pavlov. I got 5 of them for $3. So I got Sealed, Claimed, Frayed, Tangled, and Charmed. So I thought, we'll give this a chance. We'll give this a chance. Why not? Why not? So I paid $10 for all piles of those books. But yeah, that was everything that I got for the dragon sale. So if you guys ever have a summer reading program, I definitely recommend joining. I mean, it's free. My kids got a ton of free stuff. We got coupons for free drinks. We got coupons for this. We got coupons for that, this and that. We got $10 of this like thing that my kids got to play with. So if your library has a summer reading program, definitely go ahead and join it. And they do have stuff for adults. I mean, look at all the stuff I got just from reading. Just from reading. So if you guys, you know, are interested, go ahead and do it. And if there is something you're eyeing up, I would look and see how many, you know, points it takes to get that product, and then put your mind to it. My place had activities, so if you go to activities, you got points for that. So that was fun. But yes, that was everything that I got for my library sale. I hope you guys have an awesome week. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.